Boom, hey, what is up my friend, it's Malcolmson here, and in this video I just wanted to talk about eCover assets and where you can get them from, because I know whenever I was looking about where you could go and make these here and stuff like that there, I didn't know where to go. I was looking all on YouTube and I couldn't find a place where you could actually go and make them and that there, so this is what I want to share with you in this video. And you can see here, like, whenever you're going to have your offer sequence together, you're going to want to put some things together like this here. Say if you're giving away your free PDF download, like, instead of it being something like this here, an image where it's kind of like you don't really know what it is, you could have it like this here and it gives it a better perceived value. And then there's other ones, like you can have it on a phone, so you can see it on a phone and it looks like your course in the phone. So there's another one here, and then there's like a book, and then there's like information stuff, and this is going to give your products and services a better finish and a higher perceived value to the people you're serving. So these are just some ideas here, and I'll show you exactly how to go about this here and how I went about doing it for myself. So I just want to show you here are some that I done and I got. So I done these here ones, and these are ones I got, and then I actually made this here cover myself. I made this here myself, and I'll show you exactly where I went to make it and then what you can do with it as well. So I made this here and I'll show you where I made it. You don't have to make this here, you can get someone else to make it, but that was the one that I made there, and I paid someone and they put it on here and done this as well. So if you go to Canva, and I'll leave the link below, you can actually get pre-made templates here, and you can grab that pre-made template and change it about to whatever you like, or you can just start from scratch and go crazy and make it look good. Or if you're not feeling up to it, you don't have to make one yourself. So I went and made one myself just because I kind of like that there, and then I went to Fiverr, and I'll leave the link to Fiverr below as well. And I just went to Fiverr and I went eCovers. I just found someone here who you need to make sure and read this and get the copyrights. Make sure they include the copyrights to their design on in there, right? So I just went down here, and I think I went to one of these here ones, and I just contacted them and I made sure and checked that their design included the eCover was already done. So my eCover was already done, and all they had to do was add it to the book cover, and I just paid them to do that. It took a few days to do it, and I designed it myself in Canva. So I designed the cover, and then I got someone to put it onto the book, some similar to this here. So if you have a free PDF download, you can get someone to make the cover as well if you don't want to make it, and then add it to their own book here. And I'll leave the links below to Canva and to Fiverr. So this is like two places that I kind of went to at the start, and then there's this other one which I'll leave the link to below as well, which is a really cool one, which is called Smart Mockups.com, and you can get your own course. And whenever you're going to add these in here, say you're going to go to smartphone, to multiple devices, there's going to be different sized images to fit onto these here. So this is going to be a different sized image to this, and what you can do is actually go to Canva and go custom dimensions and type in the dimensions and make sure that the image is the right size. So that was pretty much what I wanted to share with you in this here was eCover assets, and really pulling together all of your assets, eCover assets for your offer sequence for when we're going to put this funnel together and add everything into it. Hope you enjoyed this wee one, and check out some of the links below for all the sites. See ya.